There are growth opportunities in many areas. We're particularly an image processing specialist, so the growth areas specific to us are in two realms. One is the conversion of SD content to HD for showing archive content in particular. And often, along with that, there's a need to greatly reduce noise and grain from the SD content. The reason for that is modern digital broadcast systems and IPTV systems. The efficiency of the digital broadcast relies upon the codecs being able to encode the data efficiently. If there's a lot of random noise in the picture, as there often is on old VTR and film stock, then the codec is very inefficient, which wastes channel bandwidth, and in the worst cases causes actual stuttering of the picture or dropouts. Our strategy for dealing with the recession has been to develop new products and new markets and to actually expand our sales and marketing effort and our product development. We've been quite lucky in that we've been going so long that we're quite a financially strong company. So through 2009, when really everybody, including us, wasn't selling very much, we spent the time developing whole new product ranges for broadcast and for professional AV and the crossover between Pro AV and broadcast that's happening with 3D. So we did that, and we expanded our marketing activities, and we expanded our sales offices, even opening a new sales office, so that now that we're starting to climb out of recession and people are investing in new equipment again, we're actually placed to ride that, to deliver products and to have the personnel to demonstrate the products and support the customers. So our program for surviving recession has been to grow out of it. As for the double dip, yes, we've seen a slight quietening in Q1 of 2010 compared with the build-up we were seeing towards the end of 2009. But I think that's largely normal because everyone's waiting until new budgets typically come out in Q2, and the level of inquiries we're getting now is excellent. The big two new technologies that we're seeing in our area this year are 3D and 3G SDI, and both are interrelated. So one thing is our new broadcast products are all 3G SDI enabled right from the outset, rather than it being designed in as an afterthought. We put it on from day one. But the other big area is 3D. Now, we're not involved in 3D for actual delivery of content in the home, but where we are involved in 3D is in digital cinema. One of the products we have is a product which is called a warper. It enables absolute precise manipulation to sub-pixel level of image alignment, and that's critical for dual projection passive 3D, which is the method which is preferred by the cinemas because it allows the use of disposable low-cost glasses by the viewers. In this application, two projectors shoot left and right images, and the left and right images have to be precisely aligned on the screen. But because the projectors aren't shooting from the same point, that's not possible optically unless you have a very complex, very expensive lens system. So our products allow you to electronically manipulate the precise shape of the image to get absolute perfect alignment. IBC is important to us because we need to reach markets outside of our home area of the UK and also our kind of second home area of the USA. As a company, we're very strong in the UK and the USA, but we need to develop and expand into Europe and further east. And we see IBC as being the means of reaching those customers who are east of our base in the UK.